everyone, I'm Blonde from Twinkle, and here are some ideas about how to use the Twinkle flashcards to help support your child's communication development. Choose a set of cards based on what your child enjoys or vocabulary that you know they haven't grasped yet. There are different options to download, so you can have large or small cards, and some cards are editable so that you could make them into different languages. Simply print them out, cut them up and start playing. Idea 1, silly voice repeat. So simply hold up a card, point to it, ask your little one to repeat it after you, but choose some silly voices to make it much more fun. So you could whisper, or you could say it in a grumpy voice, or you could say it in a happy voice and get them to try and copy.
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Idea 2, this or that. So simply hold up a card and ask the little one to tell you which of two options it is. So you say two things to them, one is correct and one is not correct. You can make it easier for them by making one of the options totally ridiculous. So for instance, I could say unicorn or bumblebee. Or you can make it a little bit harder for them by making the options more similar. So bumblebee or beetle. Using the cards this way means that the little ones get to hear you say the word before they have to say it. They just have to choose the right option rather than remember the word themselves. Idea 3, what is it? What is this?
Bear.
What is this?
Bird.
This is a straightforward question and answer activity, but using the cards this way is trickier because the children not only have to recall what the word is, but they have to remember how to pronounce it correctly too. Make it fun by cheering or clapping or even doing a happy dance every time they give you a correct answer. Idea 4, play snap with familiar cards. This will help them practice the words they already know, and if they don't know some of the words, then if the grown-up says the word each time they put a card down, this will help them learn the new words. Idea 5, ask your child to put some familiar cards in a bag or a box. Then they have to take one out without letting you see. They can hold it close to their chest. Then you need to ask them questions which they answer with a yes or a no until you figure out which card they have. Does it have wheels?
Yes.
Is it small?
No.
Is it big?
Yes.
Does it have lots of windows?
Yes.
Is it a bus?
Yes.
The Twinkle flashcard category also has lots of cards linked to popular rhymes and songs. I hope you enjoy exploring and playing together. Bye for now.